Okay.
Hi everyone, Dhanrakshan here.
And here Pravina.
Today we are going for a new adventure, and most of my videos I used to cook and when we are doing campings. So we realized we don't have a burner. Thought of buying a portable burner from closest location.
So we'll buy it. So hi, now we have reached to Apico to buy a burner. Hope we will find it here. So
Let's see.
let's see. Now we came back from Apico, so we bought these two items for our new vlog, as you can see. And
basically we purchased a portable, as you can see, it's a portable stove, and then you have for the stove we need gas, so we purchased this as well. So this is what we are going to review today for y'all. What are the features and what are the benefits you're gonna get through these kind of portable and affordable products. So guys, we are gonna unbox it, and it's a very small box, and this is priced at 1,995, and it's a brand called Cover, and I believe I can put the link below for you all to see the product, the image. Also you can purchase from apico.lk as well. We went to the store and they said they have online shopping experience as well. So as you can see, they have given some features available. It says solid and durable, volume small, easy to carry out, and general availability is easy to suitable to the gas jar, all kind of. So they have given an image, so this is how it is. And then yeah, so I purchased this for my outdoor cooking and camping activities, and so for that you get a gas. This for 450 you can get one, and we purchased two because for the next vlog that I'm planning to do, I need two of these to cook. So let's open the box and see how it looks.
So in the box you will get like this one.
Okay, so you have a cover as well.
You have a small pouch, and that pouch, this is the product. Ta-da!
So as you can see, it's a very compact one where you can carry anywhere you want, and this can easily fit in your backpack for sure. And and you have some holders where, like, which will support to keep your pan on it, and then so this is where you can start the stove, and then this is where you have to plug in the gas in. Okay, so I'll demonstrate you how it's going to be. I hope you got a lot of information about the gas stove that we represented, and I hope you enjoyed the video as well.
Okay guys, this is the end of this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and click the bell button and like this